Hello and welcome to my project presentation. This is Indalwin from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoni, and this is the presentation for MAT2 project Quiz Master MyTurf. So in this project, I have to make a web page where multi-user can log in and attempt the quiz. There is the only one admin uh, who can watch that kind of user what how number of queues that user attempt and managing the number of quizzes, subject, chapters, and adding a more queue. So this is the multi-user app where only one admin has a lot of the user app. So for this kind of project, we have to make a first database based on the what problem statement are. So based on the problem statement as the given by IIT Madras, as thanks to that was they also giving the frameworks. No need to be writing the, no need to be making the framework by hand. We just implement that framework. So we just I just start with the project demonstration. So I quickly open my Visual Studio here. So yeah, so this is the my project. So overall, we have to set up these things, but everything is set up in my system. So I just start with Redis server. So Redis server, so that I can store some cache data for fasting storage. And there is the salary worker, salary hyphen a app dot salary worker, and for log. Okay, for logging info, like if I want to be the info, what kind of thing is going on in terminal, so I have to put log info. So same as there is the salary beat. So same as this, I run salary beat. Okay, salary beat so that we can schedule some tasks. And Python 3 app.py so that our for running the app. ML hook so that we can see the mail, because in this app overall we are also sending mail to the user for a new quiz. There is the, like, let us assume the admin add a new quiz, and admin want to be send the mail to the all user and on the app, so that user can able to get the mail and like know some new queues are on the app. So so by the way, this is the Linux. So there is a separate command so that I run Python 3. Okay. So let I go run this. My project is running on this code. Okay, so this is my home page of my app, Quizmaster. My app name is Quizex. So this is my app name. Welcome to the Quizex, and this is the overall introduction. This is the home page, and where you can able to log in or sign up. So let I sign up with a new user, like that the name is Amit. Okay, Amit with A as a capital because to convince him. And Amit at the rate gmail.com for the email. Full name is Amit Bin. Qualification is he is still in class, not undergraduate. Okay, class 12 I can put, not undergraduate. Okay. So DOB I can put the date of birth as approximately this much. So password 123. Confirm password 123. So I can now register there. So Amit is registered. Let I show with the Amit info. Amit password is 123. So login. So this is the Amit dashboard, by the way. Quickly I will log out so that I go with the admin dashboard, and there I will show everything because the main part is on the admin. You just log in, and password is I think admin. Okay. So here this is the admin home page where admin can manage the subject, chapter, and quizzes. Inside the quizzes there is a question. This is the basic dashboard are here. Here I have a mathematics subject, Java programming language subject, machine learning is a subject, physics is a subject. Let I add a one more subject which is like a system command for Linux. System command. Description, this is the Linux. This is for Linux. This is the Linux. Okay. Subject added successfully. So this is the system command subject. Here we can able to add a chapter. So later I add a chapter called what I can say basic command, basic command, or I can say str in and out. Basic I can run. Okay. So the description I put this is based on practical. So sub chapter added successfully. So subject added successfully. Inside the subject, we recently added the chapter. So inside the chapter, we can able to read the chapter. We can able to delete the chapter. Let I delete the chapter. So chapter are deleted. So now let again I add a chapter, new chapter, which is I can say uh, Linux basic command for basic user. So now the chapter is added. So inside the chapter, we have the option manage quizzes where admin can able to add a new quiz. This UI where okay. So admin so add new quizzes. Quiz what did I put the name as quiz one. Quiz date let I put as a quiz today. So duration is 2 minutes on 30-20 minutes. Number of question is 22. Subject is this is best. I mean best. So Q is added successfully. So uh, inside this chapter, Q is one added successfully. And admin can able to add a question inside that. So add a question. So okay, so let assume I add okay, what command I okay, so echo. What echo do? Okay. Is print something on terminal. It check the user input. It print something on file. Nothing. So print something on terminal is the correct answer. So first, okay, now submit it. So question added successfully. Now admin can able to delete the questions. Okay, let us assume print you are in the terminal. So question added successfully. Okay. So and admin can able to delete the questions. So this is the overall dashboard thing where admin play with the subject. Inside the subject we have a chapter. Inside the chapter, of course, we have quizzes, and inside the quizzes we have a future. So now admin can able to delete the subject, delete the subject, and this is the summary. Summary means where how many user attempt the quizzes, top score, what is the top score are there, and inside the admin summary we have this kind of buttons. This is the downloading summary. The downloading summary means the admin summary. So this summary will tell how many users are there. If I click, so this will give the option to download. Right now I'm not going to downloading anything because okay, let me show. So data I think final because there's a lot of the CSV here. So overrating problem are there. So this is the admin CSV where Indal been Q's taken and this is the new Amit is a new user so to zero are there and average is unknown. Okay, so this is working. So let us assume like admin recently add the question. By default, if admin not click on the buttons, then this button then mail sent to that user after after when time reach. Like I set the time when the time is like as per documentation are there. Send a mail when a new queues are there. Okay, and at some specific time. So, but like assume like admin not want to be wait for that time. He want to immediately send the mail. So click on this button. Now we get the mail. So see, like lot of the user 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 user we have a 7 mail he sent. Check new queues. Check new queues are here. Check new queues are here. So this is the in the Amit Bind, Avnish Bind, Hindal Bind, Avinav Sharma, Avnish Bind. Okay, I think this is the cached. Okay, Abhinav Sharma. This is the for that. So the overall this thing is mail or sent. Okay, and for same as sending a monthly report, but monthly report is the trick are there. So is it giving the report when in the next month? So like I'm in currently July, so it send the monthly report of the June, not a July. So here it is June. So the guy who attended the quiz in June, so that guy see the score like Indal. Indal is one of the guy who joined in this quiz from the June. So so we can able to see the Indal score. Okay, so this is the admin part and this is the user. So here the user admin can play with the user like he can able to block, he can able to delete the user. So let admin block the Amit. Can Amit able to log in? No, it can't be possible to log in. Let I open the private vector from the private. Okay, so this is the page where login. So let Amit want to log. So Amit password is 123. So login access denied. This thing access denied uh, because the permission was not here. Unblocking. Now once Amit get permissions, now queue is closed. So this is the user dashboard. Okay, again I will show user dashboard. Let Amit login and this is the password 123 and log. This is the user dashboard where user can see the quizzes, see the quizzes. So these quizzes belong to the which subject, which chapter, which subject. It is available right now or not? Because some quizzes are not available. This is upcoming. So if the Amit click on this button, he's saying this is not available right now. So go to the dashboard and attend another quiz. So this quiz is available. So this quiz is available. So it's not this laptop is a machine and laptop 2 is a machine. And operating device is a okay. I put the wrong answer. Sparrow is one of the fastest bird I can. But as per like answer is and this is not a correct answer for this. Okay. So okay, so the time is stopped because I submitted. So here we see the score is 4 by 5 and the summary is as expected. Only that summary is we got which we accept, which we attempt. So this is the summary. Okay, so download my quiz summary CSV. So this is the what I can say. Okay, okay. By the way, there is the one thing. If we click on this button, see the name is come because of Amit Bin. So this is the Amit Bin CSV. So if the Avino download this name, it changes Avino. So let us say, okay. So anyone using this device to see the downloaded file. Okay, I think I opened a lot of things, but here, okay. Anyway, Amit is downloaded. Something is okay. User Amit Bin is logged. So Amit is only okay. He only attempt only one queue. Okay, total mark 5 and your score is 4. Okay, anyway, data of queues is this. and overall, so this is overall my project is, I think. Okay, and there's the search functionality where user can search based on the subject, chapter, score, percentage. Like if you just want to know is he got the 100% in anyone or not? No, we not get any 100%. Is it got the 80% or not? Oh yeah, there is the one subject he got 80%. And is there any thing I can subject mathematics? Okay, he can. There is a lot of the subject here, so can physics. So can Amit attempt any physics chapter? No. Let Amit give Amit is the physics is available or not? Okay, upcoming Linux command is available, but physics is upcoming. Okay, no problem. On that it changes available. So okay, anyway, this is available Linux command. So okay, what okay. Linux command is available. Let I start. What echo? Here you are in the terminal. So print something on terminal. It take no this okay. So one marks correct. So now Amit is for mathematics. So is he system command? Yeah, he can. He can. Okay. Or he Linux any Linux, yeah, Linux. So same as in the admin dashboard, admin can also able to search based on chapter. So is there anything called Linux? Yeah. Is there anything called physics? Physics is a subject by the way. So there's a chapter called motion. So motion, yeah, motion. So here's the motion. So if after searching, if you click here, go to the quiz, manage quizzes, quiz one, quiz two, and add the whatever quiz you want, admin do whatever the admin want. So this is the overall like full privilege. Like admin have full power to um, do something, to do operation on the database to change the data. So this is the user. User can able to block. User can able to delete. Let admins let admin do some nasty things. Then admin want to delete. I mean, so delete. Okay. So now Amit are deleted. So overall, this is my project where the mail is also sending mail. I also received the mail. Okay, so thanks